For more than 30 years, Kreg has set the standard in pocket-hole jigs. Now we've reimagined our pocket-hole jigs from the ground up to make them work even better, to match where and how you build even better, and to help you achieve project results that are even better. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 is the most advanced pocket-hole jig yet. It's designed to make building projects using pocket-hole joints faster than ever. It looks like no pocket-hole jig before, and it functions like none before. That's because the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 is equipped with exclusive AutoMax one-motion clamping. Just place your material in the jig, any solid wood or plywood from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, and then press down on the handle. The Pocket-Hole Jig 720 does the rest, clamping against the wood and automatically positioning the drill guides perfectly to position the pocket holes exactly in your workpiece. One-motion clamping sets the drill guides for every material thickness, every time, so you can work faster than ever before. At the same time, a large GripMax anti-slip surface grips the wood to hold it in place securely without the need for heavy clamping pressure and without marring your wood. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 gives you complete control over clamping force too, so you can dial in as little or as much as you need. Setting the pocket hole drill bit is easy too, thanks to etch markings for common thicknesses of 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1.5 inches, and a sight window in the stop collar. Just line up the stop collar and lock it down. If you're working with hardwoods or other materials of different thicknesses, you can use the scale that's built into the jig to set the stop collar at precise increments. Alongside that scale, you'll even find onboard storage for the pocket hole drill bit, the included 6-inch and 3-inch square drive bits, and the material thickness gauge. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 also comes with a dust collection blade. Slide it in from either side and connect to a vacuum hose, and sawdust and debris will get pulled out of the way as you drill. This does more than just help minimize the mess. Pulling the chips out of the way helps you drill pocket holes faster too. When you're building with workpieces of different sizes and shapes, the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 adapts easily to your project needs. This pocket hole jig is designed to work vertically or horizontally, so you can rotate it 90 degrees and drill pocket holes in either position. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 isn't just built to work fast and work well, it's also built to last, with a steel reinforced spine, a steel and cast aluminum clamping mechanism, and durable impact-resistant polymer construction, plus lifetime warranted hardened steel drill guides. That means you can rely on your Pocket-Hole Jig 720 to be with you for a lifetime of project building. The Pocket-Hole Jig 720 makes it easy to get started too, whether this is your first pocket hole jig or you've been building with Kreg for years. We've included packs of 2 of the most popular sizes of Kreg pocket hole screws, enough to build an entire project, and we've even thrown in a complete project plan. While the Pocket-Hole Jig 720 is amazingly capable on its own, there are a couple of accessories that can make it even more capable. Add the Kreg docking station and you can transform your Pocket-Hole Jig 720 into the ultimate benchtop pocket hole workstation. The docking station attaches to the jig to provide more workpiece support, a material stop, plus built-in storage. And it all folds up against the sides of the Pocket-Hole Jig 720 when the jig isn't in use. There's also a micro-pocket drill guide for the 720. It swaps into place when you want to drill smaller pocket holes that are perfect for thinner materials, like 1/2 inch drawer sides, for narrow workpieces, to make drilling easier in super hard woods, or when you want the smallest, easiest to hide pocket hole possible. The custom plug cutter drill guide kit fits into the Pocket-Hole Jig 720 to allow you to create your own pocket hole plugs using wood left over from your project. This means you can match the plug color to your project exactly, and because the plugs have face grain on the end, you can even match grain to hide the plugs better than ever before. The custom plug cutter comes with a bit for creating standard size pocket holes, and you can get a bit that creates plugs for micro pocket holes too, and even large plugs that work with the Kreg Jig HD. With all these great features and accessories, it's easy to see why the Pocket-Hole Jig 720 is the most advanced benchtop pocket hole jig yet. You'll build projects faster than ever, with results that will meet and exceed your expectations. Because the 720 is from Kreg, you know it's built to last and backed by the #1 pocket hole brand. That means you'll find a complete line of tools, the best selection of pocket hole screws, plus the accessories, support, plans, and educational information you need to succeed. To learn more about the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720, as well as Kreg's other products for building DIY and woodworking projects, visit us online at kregtool.com.
The first time I used the M18 Fuel multi-tool, I was blown away.
The speed was most apparent when we were cutting really old hardwood. It cut through it like it was a brand new piece of pine.
The power on the M18 Fuel Oscillating tool is good and efficient.
I couldn't believe the power and the speed that it had behind it. From wood to nails, it just cut no problem.
With the vibration on the M18 Oscillating multi-tool is noticeably different than any other multi-tool out there. You can run it for an entire day and your hands aren't shaking at the end of the day.
The vibration was just really low, really minimal. Whenever I made turns or cuts, it didn't jump up at me, it just kept going straight wherever it needed to go.
Once you really start pushing in, you normally feel that vibration, especially metal. I really didn't feel that much vibration compared to others.
Once you start making your cut, the auto feature comes on and it actually really increases the speed of the cuts.
It helps me be more productive throughout the day. The M18 Oscillating multi-tool is much quicker, easier to maneuver, and more efficient than any other.
For a cordless multi-tool, Milwaukee Fuel is hands down the best in the game.
Mounting a router and a router table increases control, safety, and setup reliability, but table mounting can make it more challenging to set your bit's cutting depth and to change bits. The Kreg Precision Router Lift overcomes those challenges by allowing you to control all aspects of your router setup from above the table instead of having to reach underneath. Plus, the Precision Router Lift is packed with features that ensure you'll get the quick, accurate, reliable, and repeatable setups you need to get high-quality routing results. You'll appreciate those features from the moment you mount your router in the lift. Just position the clamp blocks on the heavy-duty router carriage to match your router. Slide the router in, and then tighten a locking bolt on the carriage. The Precision Router Lift accepts 20-plus popular router models just that easily, without modification or the need to purchase additional adapters. Installing router bits is incredibly easy with the Precision Router Lift 2. Instead of having to reach under the table or remove the router from the table entirely, you can simply raise the router up to access the collet from above the table. This dramatically reduces the time and hassle of changing bits, so you'll spend less time getting ready and more time routing. The Precision Router Lift also brings new levels of precision and simplicity to setting your router bit's cutting depth. Just insert the adjusting crank and give it a turn to raise or lower the bit. Every revolution moves the bit exactly 1/16 of an inch. A built-in micro-adjustment scale adds even greater precision by allowing you to accurately track setup changes down to thousandths of an inch. The scale can be adjusted to 0 at any point in order to establish your baseline bit setup, which makes it easy to tell precisely how far the bit is moving from that point as you raise or lower it, and to return to that exact same baseline setup. Built-in anti-backlash compensation assures that there's no slop when you turn the crank, so you can be confident that even the smallest adjustments are incredibly accurate and precise. Once you have your bit setup dialed in, you can lock the carriage in position to maintain that precision cut after cut. The Precision Router Lift is built for durability with a 3/8-inch thick, hard anodized plate that resists scratching and that won't sag, even under the weight of the biggest routers. Ball bearings, heavy-duty metal parts, and precise manufacturing tolerances ensure years of dependable service too. Other great features include Kreg level lock insert rings to reduce the opening around the bit, and a stainless steel starting pin for routing without a fence. Of course, the Precision Router Lift is compatible with the Kreg Precision Router Table and Benchtop Router Table, and with Kreg's Precision Insert Plate Levelers. Whether you're setting up a new router table, upgrading a table you already own, or building a custom router table from scratch, the Kreg Precision Router Lift is a must-have addition that will allow you to spend less time setting up and more time routing with great results. Visit us online at KregTool.com to learn more about the Kreg Precision Router Lift, as well as our other Kreg routing solutions that give you the ability to shape and enhance raw wood with the control, precision, and reliability you want, plus the ease of use and safety you need, so you can start every project with confidence.